Hello guys, welcome to Engineers World. And today I'm going to tell you how to do some tricks in Excel by using some formulas. Let's start. So first I will tell you how to concat two fields in Excel. So just open Excel, and this is A1, A2, A3 and B2, B3, B, B1, B2, B. So you can see here the column, the tab name, basically tab index. So just suppose you have some name like John, Parker, and some XYZ names like ABC, XYZ. And suppose you want to like write this like suppose you have 100 of names and you want to like separate the name with comma, like John, Parker, ABC and XYZ. Suppose you want to do, and you have 100 of names, so it will not easy for a human beings to do comma, to like add a comma. So you can use Excel in this. Suppose you want to use comma, and if you will use it, it will copy the comma in every line. So you just need to use a concat function which is inbuilt in Excel. So you have to use just equal concat, and just you have to pass the text 1 and text 2. Suppose your text 1 is in A1, so just give it comma, and your second text is in B1, so this, and end the bracket and hit enter. So here you can see John 1. If you will drag it like this, it will copy all the name like this. You can simply copy the names like this, copy, and not bad, paste it in this this. So every name ends with a comma. So suppose you have 100 of name list, you can drag and drop like this, and you can change the name, or you can also add it with the numbers like 1, 1, 2, 3. Like suppose this, just fill series, and if you will do drag here, drag them like this, so you can separate the integer also, or digit with a comma also, just 1 comma 2 comma 3, and you can paste. And suppose you want them in a single line, just copy them, and like copy, right click, and you paste special, like just use transpose and paste. Sorry, paste special and transpose formulas. It's not happening right now, but I will tell you this in the later session. You can just paste them in one single line. So, but it's not. I think transpose, and I will tell you this in the later session. But it will work definitely. I'm missing something, but it will work. So you can like add comma, plus, and many more things in the Excel. I will start the series after some time if the response is very good in this video. So I will tell you the tricks which is mostly used in the IT sector. So basically I'm an IT person, so I just want to share some knowledge with you. And it may be like asked in your interview question, like how you will add the question, how you will add the comma. Just tell them that you will use the concat, then the interview person will definitely come to know about your like skills in Excel. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give love with a subscribe button. Thank you so much.